What's that word, YouTube? It's your boy MotionGoose, man. What's that word? Today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to grow as a streamer in 2026. A brand new streamer from the ground up, you feel me, with 0 viewers, 0 followers, nobody know you stream. We finna show you how to get it off the flow. We gonna start with the do's and the don'ts. Or should I say the don'ts and the do's? We gonna start off with the don'ts first. Then I got things to remember throughout the journey. And then I got a few, key points I'm gonna show y'all from my perspective of how I'm doing with the tips that I'm giving y'all today. Don't wait to get started, bro. A lot of y'all boys, I be hearing a lot of people say they want to start with the content. I'm about to start doing content. Yo, bro, get started, fam. If you ain't got everything you need set up, all you need is your phone camera, bro, CapCut, and Instagram, TikTok, whatever social media you gonna post on, fam. But don't wait to get started, bro. It's easy to get started. All y'all boys gotta do is, you feel me, have a camera and be ready to edit your videos, clip your videos up, pop, real nice, real quick. Feel me? Simple process, okay? Don't be scared of what people may think. A lot of people, at least where I'm from in the world, in Florida, it ain't really cool to pick up no camera and be in front of the camera walking around, broadcasting certain things. So it's like, if you gonna get started with this journey, man, you gotta know what come with it, man. At the beginning, people gonna be hating on you. People gonna be talking about, oh, this and that, bro. You gotta do like this person. You gotta be like this person. You gotta get like this person. You'll see what they doing, this and that. Don't worry about none of that. Just block out all the outside noise. Focus up on you. Don't expect money right away. The money is gonna come. It's just not gonna come on the first day, the second day, the third day, the first week, the second week. You get what I'm saying? But it will come. Your time will come. Don't have long, pointless lives. You won't be able to get no clips from that. Basically, what I'm saying is, I've seen people, start their streaming journey, and, they just spend countless hours on live just listening to music. Just sitting there listening to music, not talking. Or they just sit there and they just replying to comments. They just waiting for one person to come in, say something, and they just hurry up and respond to that. And there's no other interaction. They just sitting there looking at the chat. Feel me? You want to have something that you're doing, something that you're looking at, something that, you want to have something going on the live. So it could be something that, viewers could maybe attract to, or something needs to be going on. You need to have a topic, basically, It doesn't have to be like super outrageous, The smallest things grab people's attention. You ever see yourself watching one of those pointless videos that you have no idea why you watching it, but you 15 seconds into the video already, you feel me? Don't expect one video to do it for you. Basically what I mean by this is like, you might have one video that's doing good, like, on YouTube or Instagram or whatever platform, on all platforms, you may have one video that's doing good and you not posting for a while because you waiting on this video to get you a certain amount of views or a certain amount of money, or you're trying to get a certain amount of likes, or you're trying to get a certain amount of attention on this specific video that you haven't even been creating no more videos, no new videos. So don't expect one video to do it for you. Always have stuff in your bag. Always try to, have a growth aspect with it, and always treat it as if you are a channel, as a TV channel, and, people watch you every day. People are depending on you, to entertain them, basically. My last do not pay for promo, chat. I don't understand why people feel like it's okay to pay for promo. Promo is not the type of viewers you want. That is not the type of attention you want. Promo is bad because I feel like when you pay for promo, you just paying for bots, basically. Or like, even if you not paying for bots, sometimes I heard somebody say, oh, you're paying for impressions. You're paying for more people to see it. But the algorithm is going to naturally push good content. You get what I'm saying? Promo is not going to get you the attention you looking for, bro. It's going to get you fake attention. It's going to have you feeling good. The second you stop paying for it, the second people start diving into your page, diving into your comments, diving into your likes, it's just embarrassing, man, So just try to grow genuinely. I'm going to give y'all tips on that. Now we got the do's, chat. This is what y'all should do to grow as a streamer in 2026. Get on as many platforms as possible. When I say that, It could either be going live on as many platforms as possible or posting clips on as many platforms as possible. So I'm talking about Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, Kick, Threads, everything. You need to be on everything. You need to be posting on everything. You need to be posting your clips every day on everything, as much as you can. Try to find a niche. May take longer for some than others, but try to find a niche. Okay. I was saying your videos, you don't need to have a long pointless live. So basically I was saying you need to have something going on, but you may still have something going on, but you may not have a niche video. You get what I'm saying? So like a niche video is basically a subcategory inside of a category. You know what I'm saying? That's a niche. So like a niche could be like, you see how Flight, his niche is raging. You get what I'm saying? He just get mad, or he's like a gamer. He's gamer rage. You know what I'm saying? It's a niche, okay? You got like me. People compare me to like 1090 Jake, DJ Academic. It's a niche, like, and because a niche is something you can do repetitively over a large amount of time. You get what I'm saying? If you don't have a niche, you're gonna be kind of all over the place, and then you're gonna be just doing stuff. And then it's like you wondering why your views keep fluctuating so much. You don't really have consistent views. It's not growing. It's because you don't have a niche. You got to find a niche, something that people could know that this what you for, this what they coming to you for, this what they on your page for. Your niche. You get what I'm saying? Create a simple, easy, and cheap way to create clips or have complete videos. And basically what I mean by this is clipping is one of the most important parts of growing as a streamer in 2026. You need to be able to clip your content. Your content needs to be clippable. You need to have moments that are memorable. You don't need to pay someone to clip and make videos for you. As a content creator, if you're going to take this serious, you need to take time out of your life to learn how to edit your own videos. And it could be in the simplest way. At first, you don't need to be making crazy edited videos. You may pay for a few crazy edited videos in the beginning. First few videos to see how it is, just to see how it go. You get what I'm saying? You might have a video that go crazy. Who knows? But I'm talking about a streamer from zero, coming from nothing, who ain't got enough financial stability to go ahead and pay for somebody to just keep clipping and keep editing and keep making their videos for them to drop it. You need to find an easy way to do that. And the easy way to do that is you need to learn how to edit the simple way, and you need to post clips every day. You're going to spend a lot of money until you get monetized. Like on every platform, there's a time you have to wait until you get monetized. On no platform are you monetized immediately. So it's like if you paying for somebody to make your videos at the beginning, clipping your videos, dropping your videos, you paying for that. It's like you're gonna spend, depending on how long your channel blow up, just depending on how long your blow up take, you're gonna spend a large amount of money just even dropping content that's free. You don't want to do that. You get what I'm saying? And I'm trying to help y'all not do that. I'm trying to help y'all the most efficient way growing as a streamer in 2026. Clip everything, chat. Even if you feel like it's not a good clip, clip it. If it's even a tad bit clippable, clip it. Because I personally, on my end, I never knew that a clip was going to blow up on my end. It was always random. So I'm pretty sure on y'all end, y'all ain't gonna know when one of y'all clips finna blow up. It's just gonna be random. So y'all just gotta accept that and clip everything. If it's clippable, clip it. Don't question it. If it's clippable, clip it. Talk even with no viewers, chat. We're planning to post these lives as clips and videos. So you're gonna have to talk as if there is 100 people watching you, as if you're talking to a crowd of people. You need to talk as if you are controlling the room, because you plan on posting these lives as clips and YouTube videos. That's going to help you grow. If you don't do that, it's going to be very hard to grow. The next create some sort of community, chat. So basically, I'm going to give y'all an example because I don't know how to word it or phrase it. But in my chat, in my stream, we have, we go by the Motion family. I say things like road to 5 million. If you ain't got no family, you got one now. You get what I'm saying? So you just want to create something that, you know, people want to be a part of, some sort of community that's always rememberable, that people always, you know, every time they come to the chat, they know this was going on, and this is, you know, no matter what's going on, you know, it's the Motion family wrote to 5 million. You get what I'm saying, chat? Try to post as often as possible or as much as you can. So basically, you're going to try to stay on their mind. So you're going to have to post. I would say, I recommend, me personally, I recommend posting at first like 4 to 6 times a day. I'm talking about that first 30 days. I recommend spamming the post button, because at first you're not gonna have no followers. You're not gonna have nobody even knowing what's going on, even who you are. People don't know your voice. People don't know how you look. You look unfamiliar to people. You get what I'm saying? So it's not even gonna work if you ain't posting every day. Hold on. Collab with other creators. Don't be scared to reach out, you know, to anybody doing what you're doing, somebody doing, you know, anything you're interested in, and collabing with them, because I feel like collabs is a big thing. Me personally, I haven't gotten to any collabs yet, but I am looking forward to doing some. Review your content every 30 days. I try to check in with myself every 30 days, because I feel like, you know, the world just goes in the cycle of every 30 days. That's just how money is made. That's just how things flow. So I always check every 30 days to see how many times I posted, how many views was I getting, my interaction, my type of content, things like that. You know, every 30 days I try to see, was I going live enough? How many hours did I stream? Things to remember throughout the journey. Comparison is the thief of joy. So you might see all these crazy streamers, you know, they going crazy. People been streaming for 5 years, 8 years, 10 years. They got millions of followers, thousands of viewers, man. Just know your time is coming, okay? Streaming is still new. It's still opportunity. It's still a lane for new creators such as yourself. Don't get down on yourself when you see yourself with 1 viewer. You post a clip on Instagram, you only got 500 views. Then you see I Show Speed, he got 20 million views. Don't trip. Just keep working your work. Keep nearby goals so you can always feel the growth and see the growth. You don't want to be like, oh, on your first day streaming, oh, I'm just going to get 5 million followers and 20 million views and 100,000 likes, you know? You want to kind of, okay, you see I got the counter right here somewhere. You're going to see it right here. You see I got the counter. We got 331 followers on Twitch. This is Twitch numbers right here. This video going on YouTube, but these are Twitch numbers. See, I got 331 followers, but I'm trying to get to 500. I got 8 subscribers, but I'm trying to get to 100. You see? It's a near goal. It ain't too far, you know, out crazy like, oh my God, bro, it's going to take you a year to get that. You get what I'm saying? You're going to get discouraged by the time you get the goal. 1 viewer matters, man. If you got 1 viewer, chat, that 1 viewer that always come to your live is looking forward to you going live. So you gotta, hey man, you gotta please them. It's a job now. You owe them entertainment. I'm gonna show y'all my growth, man. I'm gonna show y'all some of my growth real quick. Look, last 30 days, we got 2.6 million views. Okay, at the beginning, I started streaming. So chat, I actually took a break. I used to make YouTube videos, and then I took a break, and then I started streaming. So that's why you might see a break in my content if you go back and look. But like, and then it was crazy because I had a random clip that went viral my first day back streaming. I think my first day back streaming, I had a clip go viral. It was this clip. It got 1 million views, I think. Yeah, this one got 1.4 million views. We reached 754,000 accounts. And this was like the first post back. This was the first clip back that I had. I was just reacting to a video, man. I was just reacting to a video on TikTok. And that's what happened. I didn't have a good video actually from that. It's in a long time, but I kept posting. I don't even think any of these videos got any likes. Like this video got 13 likes right here. You see, January 7th. It's only 2,500 views, you know. Let me show y'all. At this time, when I dropped this video, I only had like 50 followers too. I didn't have a lot of followers. See, this December 9th. I didn't have a lot of followers. After I posted that video, I got like 500 followers from that video. So I had like 560 something, you know. Then chat, I didn't have a niche. That's also what I was saying earlier about finding a niche. You see, I didn't have a niche at first. I was all over the place. You see, I got right here, I got on a wig. Y'all chill. Right here, I'm reacting to something. Then you see right here, I'm reacting to music. Then you see right here, I don't know what we doing. Then you see right here, I'm just posting some, you feel me? So it's like I didn't have a niche. Then right here, I'm gaming. So it's like I'm all over the place. You get what I'm saying? So I'm going to just show y'all like that. We're going to start with January. We're going to just start with the new year. January 1st to January 31st. I had 1.1K profile views, 124 comments, 368 shares. Now let's go to February. February 1st to February 28th. Okay, we got 69K and we got 992 shares. Okay. Now let's go to March 1st to March 31st. Now it says 500,000 video views, 4,000 shares. You see? Y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. If you like anything you heard today that you disagree with, agree with, in the comments, man, go ahead and let me know how y'all feel about the video today. And that's how to grow as a streamer in 2026.